Canon laser beam printers have an all-in-one toner cartridge that is easy for anyone to maintain and replace. Let's take a look at the all-in-one toner cartridge. A negative electric charge is applied across the surface of the photosensitive drum, the heart of the printer. Next, the photosensitive drum is exposed to laser beams, which project image data. The exposed areas lose their negative charge. Developing occurs when the drum makes contact with the developing cylinder, affixing toner to the non-charged areas. Paper is then applied to the drum, and toner is transferred to the paper. Excess toner is swept away during cleaning. Finally, heat and pressure are applied to fix the toner image firmly onto the paper. Canon collects used toner cartridges and achieves a 100% resource recovery rate. Reusable parts are taken from the toner cartridge, while other parts are pulverized. Iron, copper, aluminum, and other metals are sorted from the pulverized material. These metals can then be recycled for other purposes. Plastic material is reused to make cartridges in a process called closed-loop recycling, a highly advanced recycle technology. After cleaning, the reusable parts receive rigorous quality inspection. Parts that pass inspection are certified as having the same quality as new parts and are reused in toner cartridges.